Where are interest rates heading for the rest of the year? But first, my name is Tiffany. I'm a loan officer. I've helped over 200 families with their real estate needs and would love to help you with yours. So if you're interested in working together, DMs are open. But now on to the rest. So we now know who's going to be president. We now understand what transition is going to happen. But for the next about 90 days, there's not going to be a ton of movement because we still don't have that president in office yet. We still have the president who is currently in office that needs to complete the rest of their term and prepare for the transition of power. Heading into the next year, we're probably going to not see a ton of movement as far as policy goes. As well, we are heading into Christmas, so a lot of Congress and the Senate, they're going to be heading home for Christmas, so we're not going to see a ton of action as far as policy goes. But what we will see is the Fed meeting before the end of the year. They're meeting December 17th and 18th, so we'll get a final indication before the end of the year as far as where interest rates are going to be headed. The majority of what we're going to see is probably going to start taking place in 2025. So for the rest of the year, we're looking at probably pretty stable rates, barring some economic reports that could come in and completely change things. But for the most part, we're going to see rates probably be pretty stable to where they're at right now. If anything, might see some slight fluctuations one way or the other. We're not going to really see any huge, inflections one way or the other.